Hi guys, welcome back and welcome to Emerge Kenya TV. We are so honored that you would click on this video. Thank you so much for your support. We don't take this for granted. Today guys, we are in Nairobi, Kenya, and we'll be driving on Mombasa Road to check the state of this road and whether the repairs to return this road to its original state have started. Please join us and watch until the very end. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, to share, to leave a comment, and also subscribe if you haven't yet. When you like, share, and leave a comment, YouTube is able to recommend our videos to more people, and we are able to grow this channel faster. Thank you so much. During the construction of Nairobi Expressway, the overpass just above us, some of Mombasa Road was damaged due to moving of heavy equipment on this road. Moja Expressway, the company that constructed Nairobi Expressway, was to restore Mombasa Road to its original state, but that has not happened yet. Currently, there is a bill in Parliament where the government is requesting the legislators to approve a 9 billion bill to renovate Mombasa Road, Uhuru Highway, and Waiyaki Way to its original form, yet the damage was caused by the contractor of Nairobi Expressway. So now there is confusion of who is to foot the bill to renovate this highway, and even the Parliament thought that China Road and Bridge Corporation had factored in the repairs in the construction cost of Nairobi Expressway. So guys, we would like to hear from you at the comment section. Who do you think should pay for these repairs? Should the government pay for this renovation, or Moja Expressway should? Please let us know and we would appreciate it.
I'm missing every piece of the puzzle, and I think that I don't need to speak to the only one who sees everything going on inside, everything that I'm trying to hide, everything I've been trying to fight, everything. So reposture my heart, reposture my mind, to know this connection is a blessing, this connection is divine.
Most of Mombasa Road used to be a 3-lane highway before the construction of Nairobi Expressway, but as you will notice in some section, it has been reduced to a 2-lane highway. And should this highway be restored to its original state to accommodate all the motorists who don't use Nairobi Expressway? Please let us know at the comment section what you think.
Hit you up in the morning, hit you up in the evening. God, you know that I know that. Yeah, you know that I need it. Yeah, I need to talk. What you got, I wanna walk with you. The prayers of the righteous availeth much. That's why I hit your line, I gotta keep in touch. Yeah, pick up the phone, I'm here alone, and I need the one that sits on the throne. You know just what I need before I say a thing. You know just what I need, but you still just wanna talk to me. Gotta hit you up in the morning, hit you up in the evening. God, you know that I know that. Yeah, you know that I need it. Yeah, I need to talk. What you got, I wanna walk with you.
Is 9 billion not a lot of money to not take it serious? Why did the government not follow through if the contractor was supposed to repair the highway? Please let us know what you think, and we would appreciate it so much.
These days, oh, I've been alive. Pointed a finger when I started the fire, and I've never been one to pray. I hope for someone like you. After the hurt and the heartbreak, you made me believe in something new. Baby, like a sunrise, like Sunday faith washing over me. After the hardest night, you're giving me reason to believe it's alright even when it's not. We don't have it all, but we've got a lot. So amen, hallelujah, thanking God's above. And take me to church with your love. And take me to church with your love. Since I was a child, I never made the best choices. My heart can run wild. I get distracted with pretty voices, but my past lovers were wrong. Knew it from how their love was given. I fear.
Well, we hope that the highway will be renovated since some sections are really worn out and are not even safe to motorists at all.
Sunday faith washing over me after the hardest night. You're giving me reason to believe it's alright even when it's not. We don't have it all, but we've got a lot. So amen and hallelujah, thanking God's above. And take me to church with your love. And take me to church with your love. Start. It's different now with no sinners breaking my heart, and I don't feel the hurt I used to be made of. 'Cause you take me to church without your love. Yeah. Like Sunday faith washing over me after the hardest night. To believe it's alright even when it's not. We don't have it all, but we've got a lot.
Thank you so much for watching. Remember to share this video, to like it, to leave a comment and subscribe if you haven't yet. And until our next video, be safe, be kind, and cheers. Bye bye.